Class 8, good morning once again. Today we will have the continuation of the class, that is on determiners. So we already learned that there are 6 types of determiners. Today we shall deal with the first one, that is the article. Now you all have already learned what articles are. The moment we say articles, what comes into your mind is and the. We immediately remember these 3 letters, that is and the. So articles can be divided into 2 categories. One is indefinite articles, other one is definite articles. Now, indefinite articles. This we use it under general category. Whereas the is used in particular category. Here we use a and an. Here we use the. Now the use of and, you have to remember one thing. There are 26 alphabets are there, and we use A, E, I, O, U. These letters are considered, alphabets are considered to be, we say they are the vowels. Now, when you come to use these articles, we all deal with the sound. Sound matters. However, we say that A, E, I, O, U. Before that, we are supposed to use and. That's what we have learned. But even then, we have to always see the sound of the word that we use. As the sound changes, the articles, the usage of the article also changes. For example, now you use. For example, we use when noun is mentioned for the first time, we use, for example, a girl, a train. Generally, we are not particularly saying any particular train. No, a train, a girl, a boy, a pen, a chalk, anything can be any chalk. Whereas similarly, we use and to express quantity. Now, for example, here when we use when I say we use article to express quantity. For example, please give me a cup of tea. Please give me a glass of water. So when I use a glass of water, I am using here an article to show the quantity. So same way we use indefinite articles before units of price, speed or ratio. For example, if I want to say I bought rice. Now I am telling you I bought rice for rupees 25 a kg. Rupees 25 a kg. Now I said I bought rice for rupees 25 a kg. So here I have used the article So even that time also we use indefinite articles. Same way I have here to express frequency. For example, say my doctor advised me to take the medicine thrice a day or twice a day, once a day. Again I am showing the frequency, how many times the doctor has asked me to take. So there also we use the article. You have to remember this to express frequency. So I have to say I take medicine thrice a day. I take medicine thrice a day to express frequency. Similarly, we use indefinite articles in exclamatory expressions. For example, if I say, what a beautiful day it is. What a beautiful day. So again I am using there what So the indefinite articles we use, I told you, in order to, in the general term only we use. See, indefinite articles are used for expressing general nouns, okay? Here I said that we can also use indefinite articles when noun is mentioned for the first time. A train, a girl, a boy, all that. Similarly, the second one I said to express quantity, to mention that how much. You use the article a glass of water, then there is a cup of tea, all that can be used. Same way, before units of price. I give the example here, I bought rice for rupees 25 per kg. Similarly, next one, to express frequency. For example, I told you there that thrice a day, my doctor advised me to take medicine thrice a day, twice a day, once a day. So that shows the frequency, how many times. Same way, in explanatory sentences also, expressions also we use the word not always. All these are used and certainly, for example, all the explanatory sentences are not of this sort. So whenever we need to use, we can use the article Now, coming back to this, the usage of and. You have to remember when to use when to use and. Often children make mistake when they use the word and. We all know. Now, for example, if you the consonant sound, when I say letters other than these alphabets, the 21 alphabets, but they all have got a consonant sound. Consonant B has got a consonant sound, C has got a consonant sound, C has got a consonant sound, D has got a consonant sound. For example, you say a dog, a cat. Okay? Because the C and D does not come under the vowels. But all the same, there are sentences, for example, if I write here, owner. Now here you may say, sister, this is not a vowel. Here it is written H. Then why do you write that an honor? Why do we write an honor? Because here H is silent. When you pronounce this word, you don't say honor, you say honor. So O is the vowel sound it is getting. The word that has got a vowel sound starting with, then we use the word and honor, and air. See, again I wrote it, and air. Whereas if I use here horse, here I don't write here an horse, I write here a horse. So that comes under a. Both are indefinite, and both are indefinite articles. All the same, the usage, I told you always you need to look at the consonant sound and the vowel sound. There are words, for example, European. Now see, European. Now he is a Europe. Now what is starting with here? We are starting with the E. But I write here a European. A European came to India. So you cannot say, sister, you have already said, see children, I have written here European. Now here the letter is starting with E. But when you speak, you say European. You doesn't come under, you sound doesn't come under this vowel. So we use here a European. Same way, a university. University. Even here you don't use and. So remember that is used not only for the consonant words, we are using also words that are starting with the vowel sound. So you have to distinguish between vowel sound and consonant sound. Now here we have written, I already told you, now for example, now you write an apple. An apple or an elephant. Here the sound already we have got the vowel sound is already there. Whereas in this case, vowel sound is coming here, though it is consonant, but letter is here. vowel sound is coming. An honor. An honorable boy. Finally, an honorable boy. Here we have got an air. Now this is what you have to remember in the general category. Now this much you have to remember that article comes before a noun, it precedes a noun, or article tells us the coming of the noun. Now we will go for the next article, that is the particular article. Now I will teach you that. Now we will come back to the other article, that is the. And I already told you the is used only when we have to show particularly when we have to speak. Now here for example, I say that the boy. If I say the boy, I am particularly mentioning the particular boy. The boy, for example, I write here. The boy who is in white shirt is a good boy. I wrote here the boy who is in white shirt is a good boy. Now the boy. So I am particularly mentioning the boy who is wearing the white shirt. To particularly mention that I use the word the. Otherwise I don't use the word the. Now when I say the train, a train, when I say generally I am speaking about a train. Any train it can be. When I say the moment I use the word the, I am particularly showing you and telling you this is the train. The train. I hope you understood how to use the word the. Now, where are the places, which are the places we are supposed to use the word the? Now, kindly pay attention here. The first one, names of oceans, rivers, mountain ranges, seas and canals. When we have to mention the name of ocean, you don't say Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. So, we use the article there, the Pacific Ocean. So here we are using the word the. Particularly I am mentioning which ocean? The Pacific Ocean. Here they have told you mountain ranges, the Himalayan ranges, or they said rivers, the Ganges. You say the Ganga, but the Ganges, the Yamuna, all these. In front of all these we have to use the word, the article the. In front of oceans, rivers, mountains, mountain ranges, seas and canals. The Suez Canal. Now see, this is how we have to remember. We have used the particular article, that is the, in front of oceans, rivers, mountain ranges, seas and canals. The second point you remember that we use also the article the in front of countries, religious books, hotels, buildings. You have to remember. Now, for example, if you read religious books, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Vedas. So these are your holy books. In front of all the holy books, we use the word the Quran. Similarly, we use the hotel. Now, for example, the 5-star hotel. The 5-star hotel. We are mentioning the 5-star hotel that is in Agra, or the 5-star hotel that is in Delhi. Same buildings, the Taj Mahal. So here in all this place, you don't say a Taj Mahal. So you are particularly mentioned that particular Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is only one in India, that is in Agra. So you say the Taj Mahal. Pacific Ocean is only one, you say the Pacific Ocean. So same way. Similarly, the third one, before singular noun when it refers to a particular class or group. For example, when you speak about staff, staff is a group of teachers. So for example, somebody is asking, let me read the staff. You say the staff is in the meeting. Here, the staff is in the meeting. So we are using again there the word the. Then we also use it in superlative degree, the word the. For example, this I have already taught you last year. Also I mentioned to you that whenever we use the superlative degree, we have to use the word the. For example, he is the tallest boy. So here I have used the word the. These are the things we have to keep in mind and use it. Then also we use a name when we want to mention the names of the families. You say the Gupta families, the Sharma families. So this we also you can use in front of newspapers. That also you use, yes. In front of, for example, you say the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Tribune. This is how we use the word article the. So you have to keep in mind that we use the article the in front of the families, newspapers, races, classes. This is how we have to remember. Now, the 5-6 points I have given you when to use the word the. So children, I want you to revise once again the articles and an. As a revision, I should tell you and we use in general category. When you want to something in general, when you are not specifically mentioning anything in general, a boy, a girl, what I told you, when you understand. But the moment you use the word, the article the, we are particularly mentioning that particular thing it is there. The boy, I am mentioning that particular boy. There is not any boy. It cannot be any. For a and stands for anyone. Whereas, or anything, or any person, or any thought. Whereas, when you use the word the, that we are using that word a particular thought, or particular person, or particular thing. Now, this is the first category of the determiners. So, tomorrow I will take the demonstrative and the possessive ones. Both I will take tomorrow.